What's up, guys? Good morning. Not even 5 in the morning, but I wanted to make this video for you because we got some big news. We have an update with Apple and Jasmy, more clarity on it, and I want to share that news with you. And I also want to tell you why I think Jasmy is about to explode. It looks like we're about to actually break the old resistance of 4 cents. We're climbing as I'm making this video. All I ask, guys, that you drop a like. If we can get this over 500 likes, that would be absolutely amazing. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. So I want to share the latest news with you guys. I wake up pretty early. This came out actually 3 hours ago. Well, it was posted 3 hours ago. Jasmy price prediction. Jasmy bulls target 58% gain. So most people are assuming that we're going to move 58% higher. So let's get into this and let's really see what is the actual price target for Jasmy. Now, before we get into the actual price target, let's check out some of the highlights that they posted right here. So DPIN has surpassed an impressive milestone of $29 billion market cap. So that has to do with Jasmy. So that's a pretty big deal, and I'll talk more in a second on that. Apple Inc. will be adding Japan's My Number application to iPhones. So Apple will be adding Japan's My Number application to iPhones. Jasmy coin is not included in the partnership with Apple, but Jasmy is still pumping. But they may not be included in the partnership, or that's what they're saying right now. But still, the fact that Jasmy has to deal with My Number and Apple is now adding Japan's My Number to iPhones is a very big deal. The fact that Apple and Jasmy is in the same sentence is a big deal. And I made that very clear on a couple videos ago. So guys, make sure you're watching these videos every single day because I give realistic price targets and tell you where resistance and support is, and I've been spot on. And I'm also giving you the latest news that's coming out. Jasmy price prediction has recently been surging with investors feeling bullish about it. The decentralized physical infrastructure network DPIN cryptocurrency is up 9.2% in the last 24 hours and 44% in the past 7 days. Pretty amazing. It does have a lot of momentum right now, I would say. Now, Jasmy price prediction, bull's eye 0.064, but a cool down is due first. So we're going to look at the charts in a second and really see why are they saying 0.064, see if it lines up with my analysis as well. We've obviously talked about the stochastic. It is moving higher, which is a great sign. We were calling this a long time ago. That's why the white arrows are here. So again, guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're dropping a like, just so you know. It does help the algorithm, not just for me, but for you also. It tells YouTube that you want more Jasmy content, more content like mine every time you drop a like on a video. So I truly appreciate that. It's going to help you in the future also. But you can see, obviously, every time the stochastic is curled, I've been talking about this, we tend to move higher. Well, Jasmy's looking very strong right now this week. And I was saying this in some videos that the next 2 weeks I could see being green based off the stochastic and what it's done before. We tend to run for about 4 weeks and then we pull back. Well, right now we're on like week 2 or week 3 from when the stochastic curled blue to red. The RSI is also trading on a weekly time frame at 80. So you want to just be aware because the RSI right now is making a higher low, or a lower high, excuse me, because the first time that we peaked over there, the RSI actually ran as high as 92. Well, now we're at 80, but the crypto is actually making new highs. This is called negative divergence. It's just something you want to be aware of because this could definitely play out, and then obviously a pullback will come, which is totally fine because that's how crypto and stocks move. We don't want something just to go up forever. We want healthy corrections, healthy pullbacks. Right now, as I'm making this video, we're trading at 3.887, so almost 4 cents again, right? So why are they saying 6.4? And I want to give you guys my analysis on this. And I do think 6.4 can actually happen very soon, but I actually think 6.5 to 6.6 will happen, not 6.4. And I'm going to tell you why. So if we look at a Fibonacci right here, you can see that we've been breaking through all the levels. And I took the Fibonacci from this old high to this low, and obviously we got a full Fibonacci retracement all the way to 6.585. So my guess would be that that's why they're calling 6.4. Also, if you look over here, there is a wick right there, which will play as resistance a little bit, maybe. That's at 6.1. So anything from like 6, I would say. Actually, let's look at, yeah, anything from like 5.8 all the way to 6.5 is a great zone to be thinking about. Why? Because one, we have a lot of room on the stochastic still. The RSI could still move much higher, but looking at fib levels, this is between the 3.618 level and the 4.236 level, which would be a full Fibonacci retracement, which I will definitely be taking more profit in this zone. As always, guys, if you want to support the channel, you want to join the team, and you want to know exactly when I'm buying and selling certain cryptos, you could check out the links out down below. There's really two options. Buymeacoffee.com/businessdad is the new platform I've launched. It's $12 a month. It gives you access to the Discord. It gives you access to different stock and crypto posts that I make every single day. And definitely do that if you want to start to learn a little more. $12 a month. I mean, I spend $12 on coffee every week. So it's really not a big investment for you to start learning. So if you're interested, definitely join the links out down below. But also, if you want one-on-one coaching where we will Zoom together and I can really teach you how all of this works, you can still access my Patreon. It's down below. Click the gold tier. It's $40 a month. It's an absolute steal. I'm actually meeting with a bunch of members this week. A bunch of people have signed up the last 7 days. So truly grateful for all Patreon members, but it's going to get freaking intense the next 3 months with cryptos and stocks. So you definitely want to be aware and know what you're doing. Back to this as we wrap up this video, guys. We're actually trading at 3.902. So this is getting very exciting for Jasmy right now. I think we're going to break the 4-cent resistance and move to the next area of 4.6. 4.6, and just so y'all know, about 4.9 is another level you want to be aware of, which is that point right there. Because this is resistance, right? So if we start to understand how this moves, the first time on this chart, this first line is resistance. We ran, we came down, we tried to hold it, but we broke it. So this was support. The second white arrow was support, but then it became resistance when we broke it. Then we tried to come back up, and what happened? We couldn't break it. So this is very, very strong resistance. This is why I took some profit out a couple days ago for this exact reason. Well, now we're climbing again. Okay, and by the way, for all the people in my comments, I bought down here. So to take a little bit of profit, come on, guys, come on. So now we're climbing again. If we break this, well, the next area we're going to test is definitely the 2.618 level, okay? Because there's also resistance way over there on it, and it's a fib level, and this is about 4.647. So not quite 5 cents yet, but we are on our way to 6.5, 6.5 pennies, guys. It's absolutely amazing. This is a great crypto. I'm so glad that we've been investing in this. I'm so glad for Patreon members that have been with me for the last 1.5 years. They're up big if they've been listening. You're up big from this channel. Not financial advice, not financial advisor. Do your own research. Have a great day.